Hey, this is a follow-up to 2 prior videos that I did on EMP Shield. I just installed this on my RV. Super simple. Let me show you. This unit comes with written instructions on one side here. Very easy to understand written instructions. And on a back side of this is a picture diagram. It comes with 3 wires. It's got a red, a black, and a green. Red being your positive, black being your neutral as they're showing here, or the negative side to your battery. And then you will need to find a place to affix the green to some form of ground on your chassis. You can also see that it comes with these solderless connectors. And so all you need to do is to find the place where you're going to be connecting them, loosen a nut, and then slip that over as is shown here for the ground, and then here for the positive, and then the negative or neutral as they're showing it here is being affixed as well. It took me a little bit longer in my case because, as you can see, my battery is located underneath my feet on the driver's side. So I had to pull this panel and pull some stuff. And then I wanted to run this in a very sanitary and clean way. So I took my time in putting all of this in loom. So this is the wire that comes from the unit, and it's all in this loom. And then it's split at this point where I make my connections. So again, firstly, I connected the red over here. Then I connected my green or my ground over here to the chassis. And then lastly, I connected to the negative side of my battery, or as what they're calling the neutral. So I will trace this out and show you exactly where it goes and where it's mounted on the other side of the firewall. This wire back on out, I've got it going underneath, pops up there, and then it goes out that grommet through the firewall, and then I'll show you it on the other side. So there's where it comes out, right there. And then I've got it coming over to the unit, which is mounted right there on this fender, just on the other side of the firewall. I've given the surface where this is mounted a really good cleaning with isopropyl rubbing alcohol to remove all the grit and the grease and all that. And then I've removed that red backing paper off of the Velcro and then just affixed it to the inside of this fender right above and next to the firewall. If you notice behind me, you'll see a green LED, and that's indicating that this unit is hooked up and it's protecting the vehicle as it's designed to do. It's going to be lit up regardless of whether or not the vehicle is running or not. What it's designed to do is to shunt to ground any electrical overages, whether that be from a lightning strike or a coronal mass ejection or an electromagnetic pulse. This will go on any type of vehicle with a 12-volt system. That will get you $50 off for every unit that you purchase. You click on that link, it'll take you directly to their website, and you can see exactly what they have to offer. Plus, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me or ask anybody else from EMP Shield directly, and they will assist you very promptly, I can assure you of that. If you'd like further clarification on how to install this unit, click here now to see the official video from EMP Shield. Thanks for watching.